If you want to make money selling on Amazon, then you're going to have tools and softwares that allow you to find the right products to sell and then to look at the data around these products to make sure they're actually good products for the Amazon marketplace. But the problem is, most of these softwares make you have a paid membership, and that can add up really quickly when you want to have many different memberships. So today, I want to come with you guys with the best 8 completely free tools that you can start using to help you to grow your Amazon business. But before we get to that, I'm Cassandra and I am a full-time Amazon seller. On this channel, you will learn everything you need to know about how to start selling on Amazon and then scaling your business. So if you're into that, please subscribe to my channel because I'm here every single week hanging out with you guys. I spend a lot of my time figuring out the right way to sell on Amazon, and then I come here to share that knowledge with you. So be sure to also turn on notifications and hit that like button. It really means a lot to me. All right, let's dive right in, and here are the best 8 completely free tools that you can be using in your Amazon business. The first extension is called DS Amazon Quick View, and you can find this and install it right from the Chrome Web Store. This is the very first extension that I use every single day when I'm sourcing for products on Amazon. The Quick View pops up underneath every single listing, and you can see right here if I wanted to look at the price history or the keep history, then that's when I would need the premium version. But with the free version, this is what I get. Very quickly, I can see which category that product's in and the BSR. The BSR is one of the most important things to know about a product because that essentially tells you how popular it is and how fast it's selling. The next thing that I can see is the ASIN, and this is going to help me out so that I can just copy it and then plug it into other softwares when I really want to look at historical data. Next, underneath that, I can see the number of sellers. So very quickly, I can see what the competition is like. And if Amazon is on the listing, that is also something that I want to know in the beginning. So that is also on this quick view. If I see this little sold by Amazon, then I know that they're on the listing. So for a completely free extension, this saves me a lot of time right in the beginning so I can just scroll through and not even waste my time on those ASINs that have a really poor BSR. Then if something does catch my eye, that's when I can see if Amazon's on it and how many other sellers are on it too. The second extension is called AMZBase, and you can find this one the same exact way. I just go right into Google and I type that in and then click on the link that says free Chrome extension. Then right here, it'll say install. So once I do find a product with my quick view that looks good, next I use AMZBase. So let's take this product, for example. It has a really strong rank, quite a few competitors, but maybe we can jump in there with a competitive price. I'm going to click on this listing, and now AMZBase is going to pop up right here when I click this show button. What this is going to allow me to do down here is to try to find where I can source this product from. So if this was something that I was trying to manufacture myself, I would come here to AliExpress or Alibaba. Maybe I want to see if I can buy it from somebody who's offering at a low price from Amazon or on eBay to then reflip back onto Amazon. And then my favorite ways to use it is to come right here to Google and to Camel. Let's click on the Camel first. Camel is essentially a way for you to track the product and its price. I can put in my email address right here, and then once that price gets to a certain point that I'm looking for, maybe the Amazon price or the third-party price, I can track it. So once it hits that, then they will send me an email notifying me. Next, I can see what the historical data looks like with the pricing and how it's fluctuated quite a bit on this one. I can see in September it was around $40, and now in February, currently, it's only at $15.50. And then coming down a little further, I can also see some price history. In August of 2020, that's when we had the highest third-party new offer. The lowest was in January, and currently we're sitting at that $15.50 mark. And then some more good data down here. We can see the UPC, the category, when the scan was last updated, a lot of good info. So this is really great to use if you're trying to track the product's prices. Maybe it's not at a price right now that is profitable for you, but once it gets to that price point, you will be automatically notified with Camel. The second reason why I really like this AMZBase is right here on this Google tab. It's going to pull up a new tab, input what the product is for me, and it's just a little bit of a time saver. It saves me not having to manually pull up the tab and manually typing in the product that I'm searching for. So it's going to come right up here. Then I like to look on the side, see where it's being offered and what the price is, and then I come over here to shopping. So I use this feature to source the products to see where I can find it for the lowest price possible. All of the different offers and stores are just going to come right up, and then I can quickly see if I can find it for a price that's going to bring me back a profit. So for a free extension, this definitely is a time saver for you. And we all know with selling on Amazon and sourcing products, time is money. The better you can get your systems down and just save you time, even just minutes here and there, those add up to hours in the long run. The third free software is Keepa. You're going to be able to access Keepa on any Amazon listing by scrolling down right under the image. Yes, you can pay for a subscription to Keepa and you will get a lot more features, but you can see right here I'm not logged in, and this is all of the data that I get just for installing Keepa and not having a paid plan. So this is good for showing me when Amazon is on the listing. I can see right here there's a white gap, but the rest is this cream color, so I know Amazon loves to be here. I can also see across time how the price is fluctuating, which is important because if I jump on a listing that's listed for $90, I don't want that to just be a spiked buy box. I want to make sure I can guarantee on it selling for that price across time. You can also come right here to track product, and it can monitor an Amazon product for you and alert you at the price changes. So kind of similar to what Camel does as well. So you don't get a ton with the free Keepa, but you do get really good historical data pertaining to the price. Number 4 is the Amazon Keyword Tool for Free Seller app. This is going to be really helpful for you if you are venturing into private label and you need to create listings and look for keywords. And it's also going to be helpful for you if you're doing bundles and creating new listings, because you'll also need good keyword research for those too. You'll come right here, add to Chrome, and add extension. So maybe I want to private label my own neck stretcher. I did not do any data research into this, so I don't know if it's actually something that would be good to pursue, but this does interest me for the fact that it seems very easy to manufacture. There's not any moving pieces, and it seems like it's very light. So I feel like this could potentially be something to private label. So what I want to do to start looking for keywords associated with this is come right here to my little puzzle piece and find my Amazon keyword tool. Now I'm going to type in my keyword neck stretcher. I am on the US marketplace and will generate keywords. So now I have 227 keywords associated with my main keywords neck stretcher. I can come right here and filter the rank from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. So now I have an idea of different keywords to include all over my listing. I would put the good ones in my title, in my description, and my bullet points. And I also have an idea of what consumers are searching for. Neck stretcher board, neck stretcher door, neck stretcher exerciser. So then to save these keywords, I will just come here and export. Now I have them all saved right here nicely into one file. So this is a really good way to start generating keywords around different products you want to bring to the marketplace, because you're going to need those good keywords when you're creating new listings. Number 5 is AMZ Scout's Amazon FBA Calculator. So we're going to come right back up here to our extensions and pull up the calculator. So from here, I could click and go right to Alibaba to try and find a manufacturer and get some prices. It's going to show me all of the measurements on this product, the weight, the size, the packaging size, and all of this is important because that's going to determine the different Amazon fees. So we'll input the product price, and then once we know our cost per unit, that will go right here. Maybe we can get this for $4 each. I'll put in 50 cents for shipping costs per unit. If you're private labeling, you're definitely going to have some CPC costs. That is your cost per click, so how you advertise and try to get people to find your new brand. Then you can see based on all of these different dimensions what the storage fee will be per month, the fulfillment fee, and the referral fee, and then the estimated monthly sales. Now based on all of this, I can see the calculation of what my profit is going to be. I have all of my FBA fees, profit per unit, and then my net margin and my ROI. So this tool is going to be very helpful for private labeling and trying to determine exactly what your profits per unit are going to be back after considering all of the different fees and costs associated with your product. The number 6 free tool is called Unicorn Smasher. So I've typed neck stretcher into my Amazon search bar, and now I'm going to come right up here and hit the extension. And then you'll be able to see all of the data related to that niche, the monthly sales, the monthly revenue, the average price, and rank and rating. Here I can see the reviews and the opportunity score. So this is going to give you a lot of good data when you're private labeling and deciding which niche to get into, so that you can make sure that you're getting into a niche that is not too competitive and something that is going to be successful on the marketplace and bring you back profit. Number 7 is AMZ Seller Browser. Very similar to Amazon DS Quick View, this is going to pop up again underneath the listings and tell you the category and the rank and the the ASIN, all of that good information at a quick glance so that you do not have to actually click into the product to see that information. And I would be remiss if number 8's free tool was not ProfitGuru. Yes, we do have paid features, but we also have a plan that is completely free. A couple of the features you won't have access to, like the supplier directory and the bulk analysis tool, which is good for wholesale, but you'll be able to do product research and brand research at a limited number. So you can come in, sign up for completely free, and start doing research, 10 searches per month. You'll also be able to see the good data behind the products, like the historical sales data, and you can still use our FBA Calculator and Sales Estimator, which are very accurate because they are linked to the BSR. And again, with the paid plans, there's no daily limit, but you are restricted to the number of searches. So if you're not ready to sign up for ProfitGuru at the paid membership, you can access so much of what we have to offer, which is all of the product searching, the storefront stocking, finding good suppliers, all of that good things. You can still do limited searches for completely free. So there it is, my roundup of the top 8 tools and extensions that you can start using today, and it will cost you literally nothing out of your pocket. I hope this video was really valuable for you guys, and let me know down below which extension you're most excited to download and get using for free. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you're not subscribed yet, now's the perfect chance to do so, and I'll see you in the next video.